Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So from today actually we're going to create a new project. The project will be online shop. So to do this, you have to, so actually we're going to do it using PHP only. So and for the front end actually we're going to use HTML and CSS. So for the PHP you need to download and install XAMPP in your PC. So to install or download XAMPP, you just have to go to the browser and you have to search for XAMPP, and you can actually download the latest version. But I have already downloaded it, so and I have already installed it, right? I hope you know that how actually you can download and install anything. So here you can see I have installed XAMPP in my PC, and you can see I have installed in local disk C. You have to go to the XAMPP folder, and if you want to create any project, you have to go to the htdocs. And here you can see I have a PHP tutorial folder, and so if I need any new project, I have to click on new and I have to create new folder. So let me rename this folder as online shop. Online shop. So this is my project, online shop. And now actually I want to open this project inside a code editor. Here you can see I have Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, and Atom. So you can install actually according to your choice. So it's up to you. If you like Visual Studio Code, you can use it. If you like Sublime Text, you can use Sublime Text also. So this is very lightweight, okay? Sublime Text, and I recommend you to use actually Sublime Text. So I have shown two project with Sublime Text, and in this project actually I'm going to use Visual Studio Code, okay? And here actually I want to open folder. So actually I'm going to in my htdocs folder, and here in my project actually I'm going to drag and drop the project to the code editor. Let me just copy it. Okay, let me just drag and drop it here. Okay, so now you can see I'm in my project folder, right? If I need to create any file, I can actually create here. So at first actually I'm going to create a folder for the image, because we know that if it is online shop, we need to work with emails, right? So we need to add image on database. So we know that we cannot actually insert the whole image in the database. We can just only insert the text. So we need to create a folder to actually store all the images. So I am going to create here imag image folder for all the images, okay? And in our first video actually I'm going to show you only the database. Okay, so let's go to the uh, here in the browser. So you just have to type here localhost slash php myadmin. Sorry, we just have to type here php myadmin, and it will took you to the php myadmin panel. And here you can see we have some database here. If you want to create new, you just have to click on the new. So you just have to start the Apache server and MySQL server, okay? This both, you just need to start this both what can I say, the both actions, okay? So I have already started, that's why actually I can access it, okay? And if you want to access your let me just delete it, okay? And if I let's say want to access the project, so I will say here localhost slash the my actually my project name. So the project name is online shop, so I have to write here online shop. That's it. So this is the project. You can see in our project we have a directory that is called image, okay? And we have nothing in our project. So um, let's create a new project, okay? So you just have to click on the new, and actually I want to create a database. So the database name would be online shop db. So db means database, okay? Actually I love to do this. I love to create the database this way. So you can actually give any name here, okay? So I just have to click on create. So our database is created successfully, okay? Now let's create a file, and that would be index.php. So because okay, let me just type here html. give your exclamation sign. Okay. And I'm going to say here, sorry. What can I say? H1, let's say. I want to say here, hello, index. So if I go here and now if I press enter here, you can see we are in the index page. So the index.php is the default page for the website. Okay, we will consider the index page as home page. Okay, so in the home page actually we will show all the products from our shop. Okay, so we will do it in the next video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.